Before solving problems that involve inequalities, we'll take a look at some important phrases and see how they translate into an inequality. We have several different ways of expressing the following inequality. One phrase could be is at least, minimum, no less than, which all three of these translate into a greater than or equal to inequality. For example, the quantity x is at least some amount y translates into x is greater than or equal to y. It's worth noting here that if x is at least y, it cannot be less than y. Some other phrases could be is at most, cannot exceed, maximum, no more than, and each of these three express the following inequality, which is less than or equal to. The example for this, the quantity x is at most some amount y, translates into x is less than or equal to y. A note here states that if x is at most y, it cannot be more than y. Some other phrases that translate into other inequalities are must exceed or is more than translate into a greater than. If we see is less than, this translates into a less than inequality situation. And the last inequality phrase that you possibly could see is between, and this translates into a value that is greater than some number and less than some other number. Let's take a look at some examples now that we've seen these inequality phrases.